suddenly Nurjan appears with a military bag. And then he joined us on the table, and a common friend, Yusuf Haji Faizovic, says to him, "What do you have in the bag?" And then Nurjan brings out all his weapons, this artwork, one of which is also in the cover of the book. And then I went back to Tirana and I wrote an article which was titled more or less, "I Met an Armed Serbian," and created a lot of fuss, and of course it was one of the many times I was accused as a traitor. But just to cut it short, I'm very, very thankful to both Veran and Nurjan for having brought me this fascinating, unexpected experience of seeing my book translated in Serb, and also want to thank the translator. I can imagine how much he fought to translate my words in your language, and at the same time I'm happy I can't read it because I have always problems with translators. So I hope you did a great job at so the book will not be boring. Then how interesting it will be, it's for you to decide. So it's a book that is very personal after a very dramatic experience when I won an election with 10 votes, and then I lost it with 3 judges in the court. And it was a fascinating election because the counting was going on like a torment for everyone. And it was so tight all the time that the last day nobody was in the streets of Tirana anymore. Everyone was in front of TV